Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go underneath the fountain in Brookhaven. So there's like these glass panels here, and you can actually go underneath them using this trick. Well, it's not a trick, it's actually just a hidden room in Brookhaven. Go to the downtown subway area, which is near the fountain. You're just going to walk downstairs and you're going to select this button and a door will open here. Oh, it's that way. So it's actually here. Then you're just going to go up, and as you can see, now you're underneath the fountain. You can kind of play prank on your friends. So you're down here, thinking that you got glitched in here, but you're actually just, well, downtown. You're just downstairs. That's what I'm trying to say. But that is how you can get underneath the glass panels under the fountain in Brookhaven. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.